Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. So here is our important question for today which comes up often in the exam, and this is a very good question. Please first of all stop the video and read the question completely so that you can know what your complete question is. If you have read the question completely, then let's know the answer to our important question for today. Correct answer is the high primer 1 concentration of 500 nm is used because it is often recommended to have a higher primer concentration for Q5 high fidelity DNA polymerase to ensure efficient and specific amplification. The use of the Q5 high GC enhancer can lower the annealing temperature range, but the rule of thumb set by NEB for Q5 annealing temperature Ta equal Tm lower plus 1C typically provides optimal values for specific application either with or without the enhancer. Consider adjusting the primer concentration accordingly if necessary for your specific PCR experiment. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.